my God. Wow. Hey guys, it's Glenn from Glenn's Car Collection, and by the sound of it, you know what we're driving today, the Jeep Rubicon 392. Now, I've been looking forward to this, driving this since they announced it. I've driven the Bronco, you've seen my review on it. This is the Rubicon, the Wrangler Unlimited most off-road version. And now, probably as a response to the Bronco, they fitted a Hemi 392 engine. So they put the Hemi in everything else but the Jeep, and now it's in the Jeep as well. And this thing is awesome. It's for sale today at DCH Acura in Vernon, New Jersey. Thanks so much for providing the car. Call Tim and tell him you want to buy this car or any of the 80 Glenn cars he has in stock or new and used Acuras. My friend Felix actually has one of these on order. Felix, if you get your car, I'll do another review because I like this car so much. All right, so this is the Rubicon. It's more off-road, honestly, than on-road. But the reason you buy this car is, or this particular one, is because of the engine. I wasn't that crazy about the Bronco. Maybe it did a little better than this on the street, but it wasn't the best. I had a four-door soft top, and the wind noise drove me crazy. It was probably more of a pre-production than a production car. It was a press car, so I'm sure it will be improved. This car with the big knobby tires is a little all over the road, so you're actually going to probably do more off-road or cruising with this than going or blasting around some turns. Somehow they gave me a full tank of gas. Wow, this is amazing. This is my favorite color for it, of course, blue with a black interior is exactly how I would spec it. And you really feel king of the world. I'm used to sports cars, right? So I feel like I'm on top of the Empire State Building here driving this car. So we're going to take it through some turns. We're going to pull over, go over the interior and exterior features, and then we'll take some good roads on the way back. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I post 2 to 3 videos a week, depending how busy I am with my commercial real estate business, and how you can help me in every video, and it's free. Like, share, and comment. YouTube sees a lot of likes and comments. They'll promote my video. Get me to 20,000 subscribers, because then I can even do much more cooler cars. All right, so here's the first sharp turn that will go around in this. Now, you do feel like you're at the Empire State Building a little bit. But a straight line, you got a ton of acceleration. We'll do some of that on the way back, so make sure to watch to the end of this video. But look how mean this sounds, especially with like the back open. It's kind of almost like a hatchback, or the reason people like AMG wagons is because you can hear that exhaust sound. So you don't have a closed trunk. I hear it. Hopefully it comes out on camera, but I hear it behind my ear, and it is loud. Now you get a lot of tire noise. This is high up, of course. It's the Rubicon. So that noise they hear in the, you're hearing a lot of tire noise and wind noise under the chassis. But this car can pull out of a hole, that's for sure. So much torque. Wow, this is an amazing car. Now around the turns here. Now with these big knobby tires, of course, it's going to take longer to brake, so we start our braking earlier. I don't know why there's so much traffic today. All right, so we're going to avoid this traffic. I think that's for the train. So, I mean, it rides like a Jeep. You know, I had a Jeep SRT8 Cherokee in 2008, which now Haggerty says is a future collectible, which I believe they're going up in price. That car was all-wheel drive, had the Hemi engine, and really fast, probably about in the 4s, 0 to 60. But this car really feels so much more powerful than that. And it is. All right. Now, I've driven a lot of Jeeps. I love Jeeps. I almost bought Wrangler Unlimiteds. I can't tell you how many times. And actually, when I went to purchase a Wrangler Unlimited, they had just gotten that SRT Cherokee. This was about 10 years ago, so I bought that. Now, of course, gas mileage is not going to be good, but that's not why you're buying this car. man, is this thing awesome. All right, so we're gonna pull over here and we'll go over the interior and exterior, and then we'll do some accelerations and some cool roads coming back. All right, here we are. It's Glenn from Glenn's Car Collection. We're driving the Jeep Rubicon 392 with the Hemi engine. So I already took the hood up. What you have to do is do the 2 latches. You pull this kind of to the side up here, and then you got to put your prop, but your prop actually comes up from there, so don't hurt your fingers. And you got the beautiful V8 motor, naturally aspirated, a ton of power, a ton of torque. Amazing, amazing car. My favorite color, blue. My favorite color combo, blue with a black interior. So here's the hood prop you take out, so it's not hydraulic. You put it into the top there. I think I'm the first one to open up the hood. All right, now we place it down. We'll close it. And now we lock it into place, one on each side. Regular Jeep style. All right, so this is very menacing. You see this coming down the road, you know this car means business. Rubicon is the most off-road capable Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Unlimited means the 4 doors. If we just said Wrangler, it'd be the 2-door. You have these beautiful big off-road tires here. Wow, amazing. You got the 392, so everybody knows you spent the money for the big one. Trail rated, of course. Great off-road, great in the snow. Look at this thing. You could fit 4 people, 5 people. Spare tire, one of my favorite vehicles. Who doesn't love a Jeep? You know, with this engine, I think I would take this over the Bronco, but let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, enough staring at it. We have this car because we're gonna drive it, right? So let's take it for a drive. We'll take it on some good roads and we'll try to do some accelerations. Now I'm 6 feet tall. There's no running board here and I have trouble getting in here. All right, so my damaged hockey body. Let's see if we can get up here. All right, we're in. All right, so push button start. Keep the key in your pocket. Listen to that engine purr. All right, seatbelts on. We got our 4-wheel drive system here. Regular controls. I have a 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee Unlimited. Same controls essentially as that. So I go into detail in those videos. We only have this car for a limited time, so let's drive it. But very easy to use. I would say, you know, over iDrive, any system you could use, this I would say is the easiest. Because I'm not a technical person and I know how to use this. All right, so let's do some acceleration. This thing moves. Wow. Now it's not a sports car. I'm used to reviewing sports cars, so there's body roll. S-turns are not its forte. If you live where the roads are straight, this will be perfect. You're gonna get some road noise on the highway, of course. It's not gonna have sound insulation like a luxury car would, but that's not why you're buying this. If you're buying this car, it's probably not your only car. You probably have a car to commute in. Look at this, amazing. Now these are bumpy roads. It's bumpy in any car. We drive a Bentley, it's bumpy here. So I wouldn't chalk that up to the Jeep, but of course it's not gonna ride like a Bentley. But it's got a ton of power under your right foot. And this thing is intimidating, let me tell you. Intimidating to other people, not to you driving it, but to when people see this coming, it's so high up and with those knobby tires. Now it'll take a little longer to stop because obviously those knobby tires. And let's get to some good driving roads. All right, so just like a regular car, you're gonna signal here. What gives it away is this sound. To other people, it might just be a regular Jeep Rubicon that looks cool, but this actually has the power to match. Try to give a little, all right, you wanna do a little acceleration? Whoa, oh my God, wow. The way this thing accelerates, it reminds me of my SRT8 Cherokee. It kicks down and then it goes. We gotta try that again, we have to, we just have to. Oh my God, we just gotta try it again. Oh my. That's why you buy the car. That's why you spend that kind of money. All right, so sharp turns aren't the best, of course, but that's not why, again, why you buy this car. So I'm not gonna really rate its handling. You're getting that road noise from those tires. That's okay. It's a lot better than the Bronco, I'll tell you that. Maybe the Bronco is a little better on the street. All right, let's see if we can do an acceleration. Wow. Whoa, we would catch that car in no time. Wow. This car hooks up. I would buy one. Let me know in the comments, this or the Bronco. I'm choosing this because of the 392. Regular Bronco, you know, regular engine, but this 392 all day. All right, so you really have a commanding view of the road. I haven't been in a vehicle in this high in how long? I don't know. To me, it feels higher up than the Bronco. I could be wrong. I drove the Bronco last fall, so maybe I don't remember correctly, but to me, I do feel higher up in this. Sound destroys the Bronco. Bronco had some quality issues. You remember, they've been making this Jeep for a while now, and they've really softened it up over the years. Now, I would agree with other journalists that the Bronco's probably better on road. These knobby tires are kind of sending me left and right. But this car is pretty amazing. Go, go, people, go. Like, you always, like, why do people not do the speed limit? I never understood that. All right, I think we're going to be stuck beside slow cars here. So special thanks to DCH Acura for allowing me to drive this awesome vehicle. Yes, Marina, M3. So definitely check them out. There's no wait for this car. So you go to Jeep dealer and they want 40 over, and you got to wait 2 years. You could buy this car today, and I hope somebody does. I would buy it if I could. This is an awesome vehicle. And remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.